Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Eighth Day. So in this book, when Jax wakes up and there's not another person around, he begins to wonder if he has woken up in some sort of zombie apocalypse. But then when he finds his guardian, Jax, he begins to realize that he is not in a zombie apocalypse, that he's actually in the eighth day. It's a day that has been sandwiched in between Wednesday and Thursday, and only special people called transitioners, like Jax and Riley, are able to live in the eighth day. There's also some people like Evangeline who are forced to only live in the eighth day. Jax and Riley get to live in all 8 days. So Evangeline goes into hiding and only comes out on the eighth day. She's also in hiding because she is a descendant of the wizard Merlin. And there's a special group out there trying to get her and use her magic to destroy the normal 7 days and everybody that only lives in the 7 days. So basically all of humankind. So Jax has a problem. He doesn't know if he should help his new friend Evangeline and keep her safe, or if he should basically just help all of humankind. So Jax has a lot of problems to solve and a lot of things to figure out, and time is running out, even with the eighth day. So to find out what Jax does, to find out if Evangeline stays safe, read The Eighth Day. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.